What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Beautiful, glorious day out today. We're gonna go out and meet Glenn and Street Glide Steve, and we have a huge surprise for you guys today. We're gonna do a nice ride video. We got a lot going on today. We're gonna show you something amazing that Glenn just got. I'm gonna be on the Streetbob today. If you guys are new to this channel, we got the 2022 Streetbob in Fastback Blue, and we got infamous Silverback 2020 Road Glide Performance Bagger. Hit that subscribe button if you guys love Harley-Davidson content. I'm gonna head out right now, meet them, grab a cup of coffee. We're gonna have a nice ride video today. We're probably gonna stop at Harley-Davidson, Bergen County Harley-Davidson. I think they got a demo day over there. I'll show you guys all the bikes that they have, the new bikes. And like I said, Glenn has a huge surprise. We'll show you guys what it is, and then we have a lot more in store for you, so stick around. Look at this guy. Look at this. Look at this thing. Oh, goodness gracious. Oh my goodness gracious. That's right, Glenn got Bmw K1600B, black, beautiful. Congrats, my man. Congrats.
Thank you. It's nothing like a Harley.
Yeah, but this is a
I
absolute.
didn't get rid of my Harley.
Absolute. No, you didn't, of course
No.
not. Nor will you. I know. Beautiful bike, beautiful wheels, Glenn.
That's
Oh.
optional, right? Those floorboards?
No, they come with it.
Oh, they do?
Yeah.
Well, I think if
The
they
lights
come
are
with
optional.
package-
And
That
then
thing is, man, that thing is immaculate.
yeah, that's why I said
Congratulations, man.
Oh my goodness.
Beautiful.
And all the glitches are out of it because you put a tuner on. So right now it's got the stock exhaust, but I ordered some slip-ons for it.
Did he put these on or they came with it?
No, those he put on. Okay. These were a $400 option.
That's a great thing to have. I can't believe how great this is.
I think it's got 600.
It's brand new.
38 now. And I put on.
You just bought it and stuck it in this
I
garage?
put on most of it.
You never rode it or anything?
He rode it for 493 miles.
Wow.
593 miles.
Look at those wheels. Unbelievable.
He just put these on.
That's beautiful.
Glenn, good luck, Glenn. This is beautiful, man.
Well, maybe it was fate when you walked in the door. I could have sworn I've seen your face before. So glad that you said hi, 'cause I was way too shy. What would have happened if you just had passed me by the night? We keep on drinking, keep on wishing for someone out there to hold. All those little moments, the bus you didn't catch me looking over your shoulder, just at the right time. Those little moments all led me to you. Only God
guys, we're here at Bergen Harley-Davidson. Glenn just whooped me with his K1600B. I tried keeping up. I tried keeping up a little bit, but nah, you were pulling. Little weight advantage I had. But how much? 170 horse?
160.
160?
160, 130.
160 horsepower, 130 foot-pounds of torque. That thing's a beast. We gotta put it up against Silverback though. Let's check it out.
Definitely try it out.
But anyway, we got the Harley rig right there, and I guess they're having a demo day. Let's go see what they got. Oh yeah. Pick the good one. Streetbob. Lowrider ST. The Lowrider S. Nice. What's up? How are you, man? You don't want to get in on the video? Where are you going? We got Big Dave over here. Give him a call. Talk to Dave. He'll definitely hook you up here. A lot of new models. Let's see what they got here. This is the new Nightster. Oh, first time seeing it. Oh, that's nice. Yeah.
Revolution engine, liquid cooled.
Wow, how much horse?
It's a 975. 90 horsepower, yeah.
Wow, nice.
6 speed. It's got rain mode, drive mode.
Wow.
Excuse me one second.
Yeah, yeah. All right, let's hear this thing. What year? What bike? 15. What we got? 2015?
V-Rod Night Rod Special.
Oh, let's hear it.
V-Rod Special.
Akrapovich pipe. That's not
Not
bad.
bad at all.
Something like 12.
You gotta get the exhaust.
It's well worth $1,200.
It was, and it looks better than the Fanatix.
Oh yeah. Built way
Fanatix
better
was
too.
louder.
This is
It's
top
built way
notch,
better.
top quality
Yeah,
Akrapovic.
Yeah, you can see the quality.
Oh, that is hot.
Look at those
That is
welds.
nice.
That's amazing.
That sounds wicked.
It does sound
I'm gonna tell you now, this is the best V-Ride I've ever seen.
really nice.
I swear to God, I love it. I love how you did it. The seat, the pipe, everything about it.
This is pretty cool too. Got a lot of nice little touches on it.
We got Mr. Steve over here.
Silver Fox.
It's the Silver Fox. There you go. All right, we're done here at Harley-Davidson. We're gonna take a nice ride, and then we got a couple more places to stop at. We have Hackensack Brewing Company to stop at for a fundraiser with Fourth Watch MC. Then we're gonna stop by Fourth Watch Clubhouse for the president's birthday party, so stay tuned.
That sounds good. I'll see you later, man. Go ahead.